A company uses Amazon Comprehend to analyze customer feedback. A customer has several unique trained models. The company uses Comprehend to assign each model an endpoint. The company wants to automate a report on each endpoint that is not used for more than 15 days. Which service will meet these requirements? A. AWS Trusted Advisor. B. Amazon CloudWatch. C. AWS CloudTrail. D. AWS Config. Correct answer, B. B. Amazon CloudWatch. A company plans to use a generative AI model to provide real-time service quotes to users. Which criteria should the company use to select the correct model for this use case? A. Model size. B. Training data quality. C. General purpose use and high-powered GPU availability. D. Model latency and optimized inference speed. Correct answer, D. D. Model latency and optimized inference speed. An AI practitioner must fine-tune an open-source large language model, LLM, for text categorization. The dataset is already prepared. Which solution will meet these requirements with the least operational effort? A. Create a custom model training job in PartyRock on Amazon Bedrock. B. Use Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart to create a training job. C. Use a custom script to run an Amazon SageMaker AI model training job. D. Create a Jupyter notebook on an Amazon EC2 instance. Use the notebook to train the model. Correct answer, B. B. Use Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart to create a training job. A company has implemented a generative AI solution to create personalized exercise routines for premium subscription users. The company offers free basic subscriptions and paid premium subscriptions. The company wants to evaluate the AI solution's return on investment over time. A. The average revenue per user, ARPU, over the past month. B. The conversion rate and the customer retention rate. C. The decrease in the number of premium customer queries and issue volume. D. The number of daily interactions by basic subscription users. Correct answer, B. B. The conversion rate and the customer retention rate. A company wants to improve a large language model, LLM, for content moderation within 3 months. The company wants the model to moderate content according to the company's values and ethics. The LLM must also be able to handle emerging trends and new types of problematic content. Which solution will meet these requirements? A. Create a high-quality dataset of historical moderation decisions. B. Fine-tune the LLM on a diverse set of general ethical guidelines from various sources. C. Conduct reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, by using real-time input from skilled moderators. D. Conduct continuous pre-training on a large amount of text-based internet content. Correct answer, C. C. Conduct reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, by using real-time input from skilled moderators. A company wants to use an AI model to generate labels for online news articles that the company publishes. The company selects a foundation model, FM, instead of a conventional ML model for this task. What is one advantage of using an FM instead of a conventional ML model to meet this requirement? A. An FM does not require training. B. An FM is smaller and faster. C. An FM is not biased. D. An FM is more transparent. Correct answer, A. A. An FM does not require training. An AI practitioner is developing a prompt for large language models, LLMs, in Amazon Bedrock. The AI practitioner must ensure that the prompt works across all Amazon Bedrock LLMs. Which characteristic can differ across the LLMs? A. On-demand inference parameter support. B. The ability to control model output randomness. C. Maximum token count. D. Compatibility with Amazon Bedrock guardrails. Correct answer, C. C. Maximum token count. Why does overfiltering occur in ML models? A. The training dataset does not represent all possible input values. B. The model contains a regularization method. C. The training dataset contains too many features. D. The model training stops early because of an early stopping criterion. Correct answer, A. A. The training dataset does not represent all possible input values. A manufacturing company has an application that ingests consumer complaints from publicly available sources. The application uses complex hard-coded logic to process the complaints. The company wants to scale this logic across markets and product lines. Which advantage do generative AI models offer for this scenario? A. Explainability. B. Adaptability. C. Predictability of outputs. D. Less sensitivity to changes in inputs. Correct answer, B. B. Adaptability. A company wants to integrate an AI solution to contact emergency services within 30 seconds of vehicle crash detection. The company wants to use a pre-trained model without additional training. Which factor should the company prioritize when selecting a model to meet these requirements? A. Model customization. B. Model size. C. Model cost. D. Model temperature. Correct answer, B. B. Model size.